Got my old man out playing with the roller. He's never used it before. I gave him a crash course like 3 minutes ago. There's the tractor that never ends up in any videos because it's always put away. Got the dumpster moved onto the front lawn. You can't see it. Doing some rolling. Stuff coming out pretty nice. They only brought me one load yesterday because it fucking downpoured. But dumpster moved, they'll dump another load like right there. Got 3 more loads coming today, so hopefully should be able to get down the driveway. But came out pretty good. Got it about 3 inches thick. Spread out, and now just roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. My old Power King, 79 Power King, 1614 or 1612. Believe it or not, that tractor just needs a coil. It was running great. And a steering wheel. But I don't know how well the camera's gonna pick it up, but it came out pretty damn good, as far as I'm concerned. So, do another update once I get some more spread, but should have everything spread down to that burning bushes is where the actual driveway starts. The rest, all this is parking. Coming out pretty good, and that retention pond I built back behind those trucks had about a foot of water in it after we had a downpour yesterday. It held up pretty well, no ponding, no pooling anywhere. I like this stuff. I would recommend Millings to anyone.